Welcome back to Alexander Callan Farms, committed to Nebraska beef. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the importance of agriculture, not only farming but animal agriculture in the United States. As we all know, Nebraska is an agriculture-driven state. It's very important to everything everyone does, from our day-to-day operations here to the guys farming in the fields. Everything that we do produces food to come to your plate. And we're very proud of that, and we work hard every day to do it. Every year we start here at Alexander Callan Farms preparing to grow our crops, and we do so by choosing the right kind of seeds, making sure that the soil is prepared and ready, and then we do everything we can to make sure that those crops are the best crops possible, whether that's watering, extra fertilizer, however it may be. We're doing that not only to raise food for your table, but for the benefit of our cattle. And of course, in turn, those cattle are producing pounds of beef which come to you as the consumer, and not only providing meat for people in the United States, but people across the world. And that's one of the things that I love most, is I'm not only feeding my family and just the people of Nebraska, I'm feeding people of the entire world. Good? Okay. Even on days when it's 10 degrees below zero like today, we're still outside working very hard, and we love what we do. That's why we're out there doing it, and we're making sure the animals are comfortable, even though the weather conditions are tough. But we're doing this to not only provide food for ourselves, but provide food for you. So thank you for joining us here at Alexander Callan Farms, committed to Nebraska beef.